Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
11 common adverbs of frequency. Like and subscribe to the channel. Always, 100% probability, at all times, on all occasions. Examples: she always wakes up at 6 a.m. to go for a run. He always brings a notebook to the meetings. Usually, 90% probability. In most cases, generally. Examples: she usually takes the bus to work, but sometimes she drives. We usually have dinner at 7 p.m., but tonight we ate earlier. Frequently, 80% probability. Often, many times. Examples: they frequently go out for dinner on weekends. He frequently calls his parents to check in on them. Often, 70% probability. Many times, frequently. Examples: she often reads books before going to bed. We often visit our grandparents on weekends. Regularly, 60% probability. At consistent intervals, routinely. Examples: she regularly goes to the gym 3 times a week. We regularly have family dinners every Sunday. Sometimes, 50% probability. On some occasions, now and then. Examples: she sometimes goes for a walk in the park after work. We sometimes eat out at our favorite restaurant on weekends. Occasionally, 30% probability. At infrequent intervals, not often. Examples: she occasionally treats herself to a spa day. He occasionally bakes cookies for his friends. Seldom, 20% probability. Not often, rarely. Examples: we seldom see our neighbors, as they are always traveling. He seldom eats fast food, preferring home-cooked meals instead. Rarely, 10% probability. Infrequently, not often. Examples: she rarely watches TV, as she prefers reading books. We rarely go out to eat, opting to cook at home instead. Hardly ever, 5% probability. Almost never, very rarely. Examples: he hardly ever gets sick, thanks to his strong immune system. She hardly ever goes to the movies, preferring to watch movies at home. Never, 0% probability. Not at any time, not ever. Examples: she never skips her morning coffee. We never go to that restaurant because of the poor service. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications,